Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another adventure video. I am the Real Slim Shaggy with Triple Pine Studios, and today we are going to be heading to Six Flags Over Texas for the 65th annual celebration. Today is the first day, all the way back in 1961, when Six Flags Over Texas opened officially to the public. They invited us out, so we are going to go, and that's the only reason why I'm up this early. I'm up early enough to be able to capture the sunrise. I just finished my time lapse, and now we're going to get the drone, we're going to pack up what we need, and we're going to head to Arlington. Here we are! We made it! It is 10:13.
That's what to be scary.
The drive I'm not afraid of. It's the there is one person there testing it.
One person sitting up there?
Yeah, and they always like the ride person. I think. Oh maybe yeah. Alright you guys, the Real Slim Shaggy with Triple Pine Studios. We are here, we got the VIP. And yeah, I'm so excited. What have you been up to? You been here lately? This is my first time being here once that's open. So I'm gonna get one ride in. That's cool. What's up? Uh-oh. How are y'all?
You gotta keep it protected, buddy.
Yeah, for real. Hey, what's up? We got JB over there setting it up.
Good morning, Six Flags Over Texas. How are ya? My name is Pete Carmichael. I'm the park president of Six Flags Over Texas in Hurricane Harbor, Arlington, and I cannot begin to tell you what an honor it is to stand before all of you today as we celebrate our 65th anniversary. It was today, August 5th, 1961, that this legendary park first opened its gates to our guests here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we've been making memories for generations ever since. Quick show of hands. Do we have any esteemed or special guests here today that were able to visit back in 1961? I see a couple. We are very proud of all of the theming and enhancements and guest amenities that we've added over the last several years, but none that we're more proud of than our reinvestment in the history of the park. Several of our key attractions with historical significance have undergone major renovations, retheming, and reimagining over the last few years, including Pirates of the Spelunkers, when we returned our famed legendary Float Through the Dark ride and back to its original Spee theme. We did a complete renovation of our Flume attraction that was the first one in the industry. We've added new theming and new scenes and vignettes to our legendary Mine Train attraction, and perhaps at the center of our 65th anniversary was a complete renovation of our Southern Palace Theater. It was originally called the Amphitheater back in 1961. Believe it or not, it was outdoors back in those days. We enclosed it in 1968, and we are proud to say that in 2026, we completely renovated the theater, added comfortable seating, state-of-the-art lighting, sound, and special effects, and it has been a centerpiece of the 10 new shows that we have launched this year to celebrate our 65th anniversary. Perhaps our biggest birthday gift that we have received is just to my right, the transformational attraction Tormenta Rampaging Run. This attraction is a record setter. It is the world's tallest dive coaster, towering 309 feet above the skyline. It is the world's tallest, fastest, steepest dive coaster anywhere in the world, and it has been an absolutely transformational attraction for us here at Six Flags Over Texas. I think the most important thing that I would like to celebrate and honor is each and every one of you. I would just like to say on a personal note, as a kid who remembers the Texas Giant being announced under construction back in 1990, it took me 20 years to visit the park until I was able to come and ride that legendary attraction. And as someone who has proudly worked for Six Flags Entertainment for the last 27 years, I can tell you that Six Flags Over Texas has always been the crown jewel, the emerald, if you will, of our company. It was the benchmark and the milestone that the rest of us chased and we all idolized and wanted to be. And to be just a very small part of this team here in 2026 is such an honor. I would like to take a moment to just thank and recognize so many former and current team members that were so legendary and cornerstone in the development of our park and development of our history. Thank you so much for joining us here at Six Flags Over Texas for our 65th anniversary. The count of 6, here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so we got Brian, Big Daddy B Vlogs, and the Queen and their family. He hasn't ridden it either, and I haven't ridden it either, so it's gonna be interesting. I want to get it done and over with because it's getting hot. So it's Must Do Dallas. Make sure you follow her. Her awesome blue hair.
Thank you. Yes, all we do is have fun things to do in Dallas.
That's, I need to do that because we always come here and we never know what to do elsewhere. So like that'd be great.
Yeah, that's what our page is all about. Everybody, you'll follow us and hopefully you can find some fun stuff to do here.
Yeah. All right, y'all. This is my first time entering this place.
I can hear the Hallelujah chorus.
Okay, I've officially entered Spain. So I'm here with Savage, Mr. and Brian. They're with Big Daddy
What up,
Vlogs. And I should look at their screen. This is so new to me. So I'm gonna interview them and kind of see, I have a little criteria to ask about Tormenta. So this is gonna be my first time on here. So, oh, okay. And so we will, I guess I'll start with Brian here. So rating it compared to Titan, specifically the Helix, is there any part on Tormenta that is either less forceful, more forceful, or the same as that Helix?
Okay, I would say that the first big loop is similar. I would say similar, but I would say also that nothing beats that Helix on the Titan. I love Tormenta, but nothing beats that Helix on Titan. I mean that.
Oh my God.
That's, yeah.
Oh, you like it? Oh.
They're Helix C's, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, I hate them both too.
So, yeah, I would say
You too.
the first loop is similar, but not quite as intense as Titan.
Not at
Yeah.
all.
Okay. All right. So that was Big Daddy B Vlogs weighing in. So now we're gonna kick it back to Savage.
Well, you just heard me yell it out. I don't like those Helixes on what's it called? Tell me what's it
Titan.
called. That's
Yeah.
the one. Yeah, I don't like those. My favorite part of that is I don't like positive G's anyway.
I don't either.
Negative G's. So that right before the first Helix, you get that camel back.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. You hover above your seat. I love it. This doesn't have any kind of thing, anything floaty like Titan, but it doesn't have anything as stupid as those Helixes on Titan. So no, this is beautiful. You're gonna love it. Stay in the
Okay.
front row.
You make me feel so much better now
Yeah.
because I can't ride the Titan in the
Okay.
summertime because I'll pass out. So I did it once.
Give me my daughter's
So-
first time as well.
Oh yeah, did you want to get in? Have you rode it before too, right?
You don't like it. No, this will be your first time.
Oh, this is your first time. What is going through your head right now?
I don't know.
Super shy.
Oh, hey, I was like that before.
I still am.
All right, I am here with JB.
That's good.
Thrills, and we're gonna get his opinion on Tormenta. So this is my first time being on here.
Oh.
Okay, so the poll is comparing this to Titan and this Helix
Yeah.
for positive G's. Is there any point of this ride where it's either less than those Helixes, the same, or more?
I say like the part where it's the same would be the Immelman.
Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely the Immelman. If you're not hydrated, you could probably black out. Titan definitely is like more intense.
Yeah.
By a mile.
Because it's a lot longer like stress.
Longer duration, more forces, but you can still get very, like I guess you can start to pass out
Okay.
when you do the Immelman. Like
How long do you think it lasts? Is it just like kind of like
it lasts forever because like it's tall. Like you're still climbing. Like,
Oh wow! So it probably starts like at the base,
right.
and then all the way to the top.
As soon as you drop, as soon as you get to the base, you feel that pressure down onto you, and it just keeps going up until you get to the very, very top.
Okay, okay. So I'm getting mixed. So I'm kind of was nervous, not nervous. Now I'm like, woo, okay. I can't wait.
Front row's the best, you know. A lot of people say that it has like the B&M rattle, but this is the one coaster that actually it's very, very minimal. Like you feel it in the back, in the wing seats, a little shakiness. But I best compare it to airplane turbulence. It's like just shaky but not painful. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing too crazy. So it's a great ride.
Okay, sweet. So you heard it here. So we're getting a little bit closer, and I'm allowed to experience this thing for myself.
All right, guys, we're in line for Tormenta. First time, I'm so nervous. We got Triple Pines here, Superman. We got Zach from Coasters to Couches, Savage Mister with the cheese. Yeah, let's go. Got Coaster Floyd over here. Here comes our train. Woo!
All right, there's the doors. Here we go.
What it look like? Huh? Tormenta! Tormenta! Hey, we're taller than that tower right there. Wow, look at that! Oh my gosh, here we go. Whoa! Oh, dude. Drop number 2. Let's go. It's gonna get you. Right there. Woo! Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh, man. Woo!
No, I'm totally joking.
What'd you think of it, Dan? First reaction here.
The drop was the same. I'll be honest, towards the beginning, I was like, whoa, I got really great.
All right, so we are getting off of Tormenta Rampaging Run. I have Philip with Triple Pine Studios with me. He just rode it for the first time. What did you think?
It was intense. Like, okay, so I'm so glad I survived in the summertime. I grayed out on the first Immelman, but I came to, I guess, after. And yeah, awesome. There's a lot of wind in the front row. It was great. It would be better, I think, in the wintertime.
And today marks 65 years of Six Flags Over Texas. Would you like to say anything to Six Flags?
Thank you for all these years. I think I started back in 2010, and it's been great ever since. And thanks for inviting us out here. It was great, and it's so much fun. And thank you for investing in this park with this awesome Tormenta.
Yeah. Happy birthday!
Woo! Still doesn't look like it's open. It says coming soon. Let me see. Let me try out this 12x zoom. Let's see. All right, that is 12. Look at that. I can read that sign. Spoiler alert, it's not open. I finally find the Christmas store, and it's closed. All right, y'all, here's another birthday. Runaway Mountain. Oh, we got to pester Six Flags Over Texas and get this waterfall fixed. I remember that. All right, y'all, if this comes out before Thursday or this weekend, make sure you come and see this show. I've seen little clips and people talking about it. They say it's really, really good. So we just heard too that if you want to see shows, you have to come this weekend through the 9th, Sunday, and then that's it. They'll have a pause because they're setting up for Fright Fest. So we just went from the shade to the summer
I mean summer, sun. And I want to give a shout out to, what did he say? Mom's Thrilling. I don't know, I'm so sorry. I'll find your page and put it down in the description below. But your tips on the summertime was amazing. I've been using them, you know, so when you're in the heat, drink water. And when you're cooling down, drink electrolytes and stay in the shade. I've been using your tips and it's helping me not feel, you know, lightheaded or anything. So, yep, go check out her channel down in the description below. All right, y'all, we're here right across from Spelunkers. And they got this cool little seating area here. Copyright music. And we got this, like, kick the bucket. I think Savage was talking about that in his last video. That one was pretty cool. Oh, they got another little sprinkler section. So I haven't been on the Roaring Rapids in a long time because I don't usually come to Six Flags in the summertime. I got the VIP thing and it said no wait. So hopefully I'm gonna jump on the brand new boats and that'll be our martini ride and we're gonna head out. There he goes. All right, we found the squirrel that gets all the pictures. There he is. He's gonna go under there. Say hi, buddy. I said, you got any food? All right, y'all. So we started our day with Spain, and we're gonna end it with Spain. We're gonna end our day. Thank you, Six Flags, for inviting us out. It was super fun to celebrate the birthday. So happy 65th birthday to Six Flags over Texas. It was fun seeing all of my creator friends again, meeting some new ones. And yeah, just remember, spread love, not hate. One light is glory, adjust your focus, and until next time. Thanks.